Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It is Wednesday, the 16th of April. These are the charts of the day. A very ugly way on Wall Street today. Markets closed well off the lows because of the late rally, but it was pretty ugly going until that late little snapback, short covering type move. We'll have to see. Futures are kind of flat tonight, so we'll see where they go. But for now, I want to show you some stocks that did very well, even in a lousy market. BYRN has been doing great all last couple of weeks. You can take a look at the move off from under 14 to nearly 22 just in the last 8 days or so. A really terrific relative strength type performance. And take a look at the long-term chart. It's a beauty. I think the stock has a long-term leg that could take this to the 35, even 45 range at some point. But on a short-term basis, my targets are the 50-day moving average at 22.5 and lateral price resistance that comes in around 24. HTZ, well, Hertz after hours and late in the day exploded on news that a major fund, I think Pershing Square, is taking a nearly 20% position in it, probably activists too. But at the time, it spiked right late in the day, about 15 minutes before the close. It was 411, and by the close, it finished at 5 3/4. But after hours, it just kept running, getting all the way up to $9 before pulling back to about $7.87 near the close. Still fantastic day, up 422. That's 115% on 119 million shares. Huge volume. Look at the daily chart. Breakout of a major base on monster volume. 125 million shares is major breakout volume coming out of a base like that. At this point, the extension target has to be around 11.5. IAG in the Jimmy Gold sector, fabulous chart. Maybe getting a little extended and too far ahead of itself. Big volume up here too. Just recently in the last week or so, it's gone from 535 to 838 and is near the top of the channel on a long-term basis, which is key resistance. A lot of the golds look like this and are extended. In the materials sector, MP Materials, a swing of ours, and it has been for several times, after a long downtrend, spiked up, pulled back, and when it broke out here, we put the swing on it at around the 20 range. It's made it up to 29.13 today and had a really terrific day on 18 million shares. Kind of an inside day, but a positive one. And keep an eye on this one. Should he get over 29 3/4 and may run into the low to mid 30s. On the gold sector, another gold, we talked about gold being extended. Take a look at not only the price of gold, but the ETF NUGT. A double bull has exploded just in the last week from 47 to how about 78. It's almost 80 today, 79, 87 high. Lateral resistance, channel top resistance, fifth wave top. Careful with this one. In the lithium area, Piedmont, after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave decline, reversed. And today, after forming a platform for a couple of days, spiked up 50 cents. That's about 8%. The volume was, it's a thinly traded stock. The volume was a little less than 300,000 shares, but it was about average volume for it. To get up above today's high, which is 708, I think we can see 8 and 9. SBEV, Splash Beverage, exploded yesterday and followed through beautifully today, moving from 237 to 485. That's a double. 62.5 million total traded, and it ran right up to resistance and backed off. But if it gets through here, your next extension target is 7.5. Keep an eye on that one. TGL also spiked and broke out on monster volume for this stock. 127 million share traded. My next target is up near the 5 3/4 SIG zone where the declining top sign and 50-day moving average come in. In the metal sector, U.S. antimony, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave is underway, which could extend. Wouldn't be shocked to see 5.5, even 7. It has momentum. Careful with that, though. Up next is USAR, another rare earth mineral stock that just has gone bonkers for 2 weeks now. Take a look at 556 as a recent low. 18 and 55 more than tripled, almost quadrupled just in the last week or two. Very careful up here, it's so extended. And finally, another uranium stock, Energy Fuels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down and a spike up, looking for an extension to 5 and then 6. There's a look at some of the hot stocks and bullish stocks despite the market at thetechtrader.com. Good night, all.